There are 4 things that you need for your embroidery project. The first is an embroidery ring. Embroidery rings have an inner circle that fits into an outer circle. The outer circle has a screw to actually screw in place the fabric to make it taut. Secondly, you need a really good quality twill, linen that is durable. This particular one I've sourced from Scotland. It's hand woven. It has the historical horizontal lines, which actually gives it a really good texture when you finish your project. It's hand woven and it's used from the flax grown in the Scottish fields. This is very, very easy to get on Amazon and also through a number of craft shops in the UK. Thirdly, you need good quality wool. I like to use Appleton's. Each one is numbered, so this one's 821 and 822. This lets me know that 822 is the next colour, which is very similar, but it will actually give a good shading. It's 100% wool and it's made in the UK. And finally, you need a really good embroidery pin. This one is a little bit thicker than your usual needle and it's ideal for the Scottish twill and using the Appleton wool.